Becoming an affiliate. Affiliate marketing has been around ever since making money online was a thing. Now it is becoming a growing trend thanks to how easy it is for people to create content, make it available for the world to see, and click through it. For those not in the know, affiliate marketing is a marketing strategy that merchants and product creators use to leverage the crowdsourcing power of internet inhabitants. It works like this. A merchant offers to pay a fee to someone that is able to get other people to buy something from the merchant. This means a lot of players in the retail space are using people to advertise their products. It works great for merchants. Sales by affiliates give them a better image because it is an individual who is recommending a product and not an ad. Guess what? Amazon is doing that too. You can become an Amazon affiliate to start earning money for promoting items in its marketplace. Amazon Associates. Affiliates in the Amazon marketplace are called Amazon Associates. You can find that out by going to the Amazon homepage and heading to the Make Money With Us section. Then by clicking on Become an Affiliate. The Amazon Affiliate Program offers you earnings of up to 10% for every sale that you help happen in the Amazon marketplace. It is easy and free to join the program. You'll just need to register and wait for approval from Amazon. You'll earn money by advertising products in the marketplace. With over 1 million products to choose from, you'll be hard-pressed to not find something that you already like, and that you would be more willing to talk about. Amazon will hand you easy-to-use linking tools to refer customers from your site to the marketplace. You'll be able to advertise from websites and social media updates to any Amazon page. Your ads can be placed as images, text, and banners. You'll also be able to create an online store from scratch with A-stores to feature and sell products from the Amazon marketplace. Advanced users and developers will have access to the Amazon API in order to seamlessly integrate products from the Amazon catalog into any website. You'll earn advertising fees as low as 4% and as high as 10% for every customer that you send from your site to make a purchase on Amazon. That's right. You'll not only make money from the products you are advertising on your site, you'll make money for every purchase made by someone that goes from your site to the Amazon marketplace. You'll earn even if that someone does not buy what you are advertising and buys something different. We consider becoming an Amazon associate one of the best ways to make money with Amazon, considering how big of a marketplace it is and the number of sales made there every day. Stay tuned, because we are going to teach you how to become one in the following section.